Boys and girls, today we're going to model multiplication with the factors 1 and 0. We are going to multiply with numbers 1 and number 0. Read the story, please.
Blue sees 4 bird baths. Each bird bath has 2 birds in it. What multiplication sentence tells how many birds there are?
Okay. Read the blue box.
How many birds are there?
Or bird baths are there? Yes. How many are there, guys?
4 bird baths.
All right, write it down. Okay, and then what did the story say? How many birds are in each bird bath to start?
2.
Everybody?
2 birds.
2 birds. Okay, like all the multiplication sentences that we talk about so much, we are going to draw a picture to help us solve this problem. Okay, so this says draw a quick picture to show the birds in the bird baths. Now I'm going to show you how to draw a bird. I just do like a U shape, and then I make a little head, and then I make a back with a beak. Okay? So draw your birds in your bird baths, please. Everybody draw your birds. Okay, boys and girls. So let's write our multiplication sentence for our picture. What do you think your first factor will be? And tell me why you think that. What do you think your first factor will be for your multiplication sentence, and why do you think that?
I think it's going to be 4 because there are 4 groups.
Very good. There are 4 groups of bird baths. It's going to be 4. What's our second number factor? What's our second factor going to be, Jacob?
2 because there are 2 birds in each bird bath.
Yes, 2, because there are 2 birds in each bird bath. And now, what should our answer be, Tyson? 8, because there are 8 birds in all. Okay, now we are going to pretend one bird flies away from each bird bath. Cross out 1 bird in each bird bath above. And then we're going to write the multiplication sentence for the total of birds left. So cross out 1 bird from each bird bath. Cross them out. What next on them? Cross out 1 bird from each bird bath. Okay. Now, they have the labels for us here on this one. So what's our first factor going to be, everyone?
4.
4, because there are still 4 bird baths. How many bird baths are left in each? What's our second factor going to be, everyone?
1.
1. And then what is our total number of birds left, everyone?
4.
4.
Get easy.
Okay, now the next part. Cross out another bird in each bird bath. What multiplication sentence shows the total number of birds left in the bird bath now? Cross out your other birds. Make an X on them. Okay, now, how many bird baths do we have? What's our first factor?
4.
How many birds are left in each bird bath? What's our second factor?
0.
And what's our total number of birds for our
0.
what our product? The answer. What's our product?
0.
0. There are no birds left. How do the bird baths look now?
Empty.
Empty. E-M-P-T-Y. Empty. M-E. Input T.
I thought there would be an E.
Y can say the E sound.
It only say E. It's T.
Or if you think about my first name ends in an I, but it says E. Sometimes letters say different things. Okay, math talk. Listen. Math talk. What if there were 5 bird baths with 0 birds in each of them? What would the product be? 5 bird baths with 0 birds in them. What would the product be, everyone?
0.
0. It would be 0 because there would be no birds in the bird baths. Right. You have nothing to add because there's no birds in the bird baths. Okay. Next page. Okay, but we're moving on. All right, read the new story. Jenny
has 2 pages of bird stickers. There are 4 stickers on each page. How many stickers does she have in all?
Okay, so they did the problem for you right now. They gave you the 2 factors of 2 and 4. And she has 2 pages and 4 stickers on each page. So you're going to think of 2 groups of 4. How many stickers would that mean that she has, everyone? 8. 2 4s is 8. 4 and 4 is 8. So Jenny has how many stickers in all?
8.
Okay. Now, the next part of the directions say, suppose Jenny uses 1 page of stickers. What fact shows how many stickers are left? So now she took off all the stickers off of 1 page. She used them all. Okay? So now let's figure out what the multiplication sentence would be. She used 1 page. So now, what's our first factor going to be? 1. Not 2 anymore. It's going to be 1 now. Because she used 1. And now, how many stickers were on each page? What's our second factor going to be?
4.
And what does 1 times 4 equal? Like, how many stickers total are left? 4. So Jenny has how many left?
4.
4. 1 group of 4 means there's 1 4. If there's only 1 4, that means there's just 4.
That's easy.
Now, Jenny uses the rest of her stickers. What fact shows how many stickers she has left? Can you give me the number sentence? I want the first factor for the number sentence. Everyone, what is it?
0.
0. What's the second factor for the number sentence?
4.
4. Because although she has 0 things, there used to be 4 stickers, right? But how many stickers are there left?
0.
What?
0.
0. She used them all, remember? So Jenny has how many stickers left?
0.
Okay. What does each number in 0 times 4 tell you? What does the 0 mean in this story? Not 0 groups, but 0
stickers left.
Not 0 stickers.
No pages. 0 pages.
There are 0 pages of stickers. 0 pages of stickers. I'm going to put 0 equals 0, okay? 0 equals 0 pages of stickers. I just kind of added it to the front there. Okay, comma. It's on your paper several times on your paper. Okay, what does the 4 mean in 0 times 4? 4 means what? What does 4 mean?
4 stickers.
Okay, 4 means there used to be 4 stickers on each page. There were 4 stickers on each page. Okay, what does the product 0 mean in our sentence? What does the product 0 mean, guys?
It means the answer to multiplication.
Yes, but what does 0 mean in this? What is the answer for 0? What does 0 mean for the answer?
0 means, 0 means like,
Okay, what is the product meant on all of these? The answer. There were 2 pages with 4 stickers, so there were 8, what? No, stickers. There was 1 page of 4 stickers, so the answer meant there was 4 stickers. There are 0 pages that used to have 4 stickers on them, but now there are how many stickers left, guys?
0.
So what does the 0 mean?
0 stickers left.
Yes,
No.
0 means 0 stickers left. Okay, now number 1. Look at number 1. What pattern do you see when you multiply factors with 1 as a factor? You look at this. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. Let's look right here in this blue box, right beside that number 1. The identity property of multiplication states that the product of any number and 1 is that number. So it means any number times 1 is that other number. So what's the pattern that you see? What do you see? So what's going on?
Ooh, the number that's being times by 1.
Yeah, 1 times any number is that number. That's the pattern. 1 multiplied. 1 times any number is that number. Okay, so what property was it that we multiplied by 1? When you multiply by 1, what's the property called?
0.
No, listen. I'm going back to number 1. 1 times what? Another number is what property?
Identity property of multiplication.
It's the identity property. When you multiply by 1, you are doing the identity property. Now let's read the 0 property. The 0 property of multiplication states that the product of 0 and any number is 0. So what is the pattern you see when you multiply numbers with zeros as a factor? 0 times 1 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. What do you see? What's going on? What's the pattern that we see?
Anything times 0 is 0.
Yes. Any number times 0 is 0.